Hey, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a vehicle that's redefining luxury and performance in the SUV world, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. Whether you're a fan of sleek designs, high-tech features, or raw power under the hood, this SUV checks all the boxes and more. Stick around to see what makes the 2025 Escalade a true showstopper. Let's start with the exterior. Cadillac has really doubled down on making the 2025 Escalade bold and unmistakably luxurious. From the iconic front grille to the sleek LED lighting that stretches along the edges, the new Escalade has a commanding presence on the road. Cadillac also introduced new color options, giving drivers a range of choices from sophisticated matte finishes to high-gloss options that really make this SUV pop. With its imposing 22-inch wheels and distinctive lines, the 2025 Escalade combines elegance with a rugged edge that's hard to ignore. Stepping inside, Cadillac has spared no expense in making the 2025 Escalade's interior a sanctuary of comfort and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials like leather, real wood, and metal accents, which give it a modern yet timeless appeal. And for tech lovers, the curved OLED display takes center stage. This display spans over 38 inches and seamlessly integrates with Cadillac's latest infotainment system. Let's talk performance, because the 2025 Escalade isn't just about looks and luxury. Cadillac offers several engine options, including a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine, giving you around 420 horsepower and the kind of acceleration you wouldn't expect from an SUV of this size. There's also a new hybrid model that provides both performance and improved fuel efficiency, perfect for those who want power with a bit more eco-friendliness. With these options, you can customize your Escalade to suit your driving needs, whether you're city cruising or taking it off-road. And let's not forget the advanced suspension system that makes every drive smoother and more controlled, whether you're navigating city streets or rougher terrains. So, there you have it, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, an SUV that combines stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and power under the hood. Whether you're in it for the luxury, the tech, or the performance, this vehicle has it all. Thanks for tuning into our review, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and share it with anyone who needs to see the future of luxury SUVs. See you in the next video.